Okay, so I'm Eric Brandauer, this is Velma Brandauer. We're going to summarize what we did for our first cha-cha class. And the most important thing is make sure that you practice your basic for 2 minutes a day so that you get that integrated into your steps. Okay, so we're going to do this, ladies and men, at the same time. Ladies, you're going to step back onto your right foot. Men, you're going to step forward on your left. Men, if you can take your left hand and move it towards her hip, it helps her move that foot out of the way. 2, cha-cha-cha, 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. So we're going to step, ladies, onto our right foot, back onto our left foot. It's called a break step. Then you're going forward on your left, back on your right. We're doing a shuffle step backwards. Cha-cha-cha. I'm doing a shuffle step backwards. She's going forwards. Now I'm going backwards. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. I prefer if you move during your cha-cha step. I think it looks better and it's less likely to get the footwork confused as well. Okay. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. Move my left hand forward on 1 and right hand back on 5. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. Notice I'm not doing a bunch of stuff up and down or shaking the hands. They're very calm. Cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. Okay, what we also did is an outside turn. We're going to go 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. I'm dropping my right hand, dropping her hand from my right hand on the cha-cha-cha. It can be any time during that cha-cha-cha step. And I'm going to lift the hand, and you go hand to hand. You can also just do it this way, either way. So 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Beginner level. This is usually easiest. Don't bring it between you, right in between their shoulders. Ladies, push against his hand. Then don't let her push your hand back. Keep a wall there so she can push into it. Okay. Now I'm going to do a U-turn around her head, and I'm going to polish her halo. Her halo is here, not up here. Okay? So do it again. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. You can switch the hands back if you would like. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Push 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. And when I'm saying push, 1, 2, block her, and then push 5, 6 to redirect her. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. The other thing we did is we changed hands. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, change the hand. Notice I'm passing the hand off to here. I'm not reaching way high to get the hand. I'm keeping the hand low and passing it off. Okay. Then we do a basic. I've got plenty of time to offer my other hand on the bottom. She doesn't see it. I can motion down with my eyes, and she will see it together. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. We can circle the head with both hands. 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. All right? We can do our head drapes. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. Head drape, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. Turn a little bit here so you can see the other direction. Whichever hand we do, we're going to do it on 1 and 5. We're going 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. I'm going taking the hand directly over the center of her head. Okay? And I'm not bringing the hand all the way down here. It feels like a trap almost, okay? So it feels uncomfortable. All I have to do is bring it past the center of her head and let go. Past the center of her head and let go. Just gentle tosses. Ladies, acting like you're basically stroking your hair figuratively. Okay? Now the timing on this is 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6. I just keep this hand and I'll pass it to the other one before her hand gets down there. Now I took a lot of time there. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 5, 6, cha-cha-cha. I just pass the hand back. That's our simple way out of it. There's fancier ways out of it. That's our simple way out. And I believe that was it. Thank you very much.